Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm just showing you my 2022 garlic harvest. Um, the four bowls here are the elephant garlics that I'd grown, and the ones on the right side are music garlic. Um, the music garlic I guess didn't get that big, but still it's something. Um, there's some smaller ones and I guess medium-sized ones. The elephant garlic didn't really do how I was hoping. Um, like the ones in this bowl here, they had split, if you want to call it. They have different cloves in it. This bowl here, they're all basically rounds, meaning that it's just one solid piece. They didn't split for some reason. This bowl here, they had all kind of broken open while they were inside the ground. They broke open, so I'll try to use these first. And these, it's rounds and a bit of other things. So, just gonna show one other thing. From the elephant garlic, there's these small things here that were attached to the bulbs. They're called quorum, like can't speak. They're called quorums, like corn, but with an M, no N. So quorum, CORM. Supposedly you could plant these in the ground. So we planted this fall, for example. They're supposed to come out around. The round you replant again, and then they're supposed to have all the different cloves in it the final year. So I'm not sure why the bulbs aren't getting that big. I had given compost for all the garlic. I mulched the garlic. The only thing I didn't do was put like what's it called, like a cow manure or a sheep manure. I don't know if that would helped anything or changed anything with the size. Another thing I was thinking is the spots that they were planted, they get some sun, but it's not the full day of sun. So I'll have like part of the day in shade and a part of the day in sunlight, or dark sunlight. So I don't know if that's affecting the size of the bulbs or not either. So, anyways, maybe next year I might take a break, or maybe I'll not plant any garlic. I'll probably try to find something else to plant in those spaces. But I'll have to decide by this fall to see if I'll do that or not, because you have to plant them in fall before the snow comes. But maybe I'll try to find another spot somewhere that gets sun basically the full day. So, thanks. If anyone has any suggestions or maybe recommendations on how to grow garlic that would make them a bit bigger, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And I guess basically anything will help, because it's basically been 3 or 4 years I've been growing at least music type of garlic, and they haven't gotten too big. So if anyone has any ideas or suggestions on how they grow garlic, if it's like full sun for the full day, or maybe I'm just missing something. So thanks for coming to watch. Talk to you guys later on.